And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. The items I'm about to show you were paid for with money provided to me by the state of California in my $600 COVID relief check. Thank you, Uncle Gavin. Okay, now, set of boring bars, carbide tip, half-inch shank for my boring head. You've already seen that. That's another unboxing. So, anyway, these are nice. Shanks are ground. The carbide looks carbide-y. It looks good. And second, I got you just saw. Okay. I'm not going to pick it up. It weighs more than 5 pounds. I just got home from the hospital and they said don't pick up anything heavier than 5 pounds for a couple, 3 weeks. I can't even drink coffee. My mug is... The instructions, operating instructions, and assembly drawings are pretty basic. Although the nice touch for me the exploded view of the unit. Now, as you see, it is a small variable speed bench grinder with attachment for a flexible shaft. I didn't buy it for the flexible shaft. The less said about the flexible shaft, the better. Although, if you're just going to drill holes in your spaceship model, yeah, that's a fairly decent hobby grade flexible shaft. And I really mean hobby grade. It also comes with a little eye shield that goes over the grinder. It's got a 200 grit orange aluminum oxide wheel and is sort of grayish blue, bluish gray deburring wheel. You know, it's basically super duper Scotch-Brite in a wheel. Why did I get this? Especially since I could have got a 7-inch bench grinder for about $30 less at the local hardware store. Well, first of all, too big. Doesn't fit in the scale of my shop. 3-inch does. Plus, variable speed. I think that's the biggest problem a lot of people make, is running stuff too fast. They get in this mindset, they gotta get it done right now. And they screw up shit because they're going too fast. I got this so I can grind some lathe tools on an actual grinder instead of using my flex shaft or my belt sander. One moment. Not now. Maximize. I got my other tablet over here bringing up YouTube. As soon as I stop recording, back to watching. I'm 3 days behind in my YouTube monitoring duties. Okay, that's the unboxing. I'll talk about product review later. Later. 5 minutes. Okay, well, the grinder is not all plastic like you might think. The base is metal. The wheel guards are metal. You know, the motor casing is metal. It has variable speed. 3-inch and variable speed were why I bought it. The flex shaft, that's just an extra thing I get to play around with maybe. All I'm thinking is seeing if I can put the flex shaft fixture on the other end. That way the flex shaft will run backwards. I can use it for cylindrical grinding on my lathe. I'm not going to hold my breath. Most likely, at best, this flex shaft is good for whacking apprentices with. Oh, yes I would. Okay, well, that's a quick product review on, quick unboxing, I should say, on 2 products. Good night from California. Stay safe.